In this question, we have to determine the volume of a triangular prism, and we have to do so in centimeters cubed. So again, we're talking about a prism, so what we're looking for the volume is the area of the base multiplied by the height. Now in this case, our base is triangular, and we can see that it has a height of 4 and a base length of 6. Those would be 6 centimeters up here as well, from there to there. So when I'm looking for the volume here, I'd be looking at the area of the base for a triangle, which is 1/2 the base times the height. And I'm going to be multiplying that, in this case, by the length of this side here, which is 16. Or I'll call it the length. So let's fill in those values. We've got 1/2 of 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 16. So you have 1/2 of 24 times 16. Half of 24 is 12. So 12 times 16. And then when I go ahead and multiply 12 by 16, well, I have 10 times 16 would be 160. 2 times 16 is 32. So that's 192 centimeters cubed. So our answer here would be C.